This is a parrot native to this part of Oaxaca. He's 3.5 years old. And he's got a nasty disposition. And he speaks Spanish. And evidently he has the ability to swear. He's only about, his body is about, 15 centimeters, maybe 20. So 6-7 inches, plus the tail. Burro. He's trying to bite. The internet is worldwide, and these youngsters are watching something on a telephone. Again, everybody's barefoot. You don't need shoes in a sandy beach town. You gotta love Mexico. You never know what you're gonna find. ¿Qué están viendo? Tic tac. Tic tac. We're not in suburbia.